District Garo ako at nila ang sini party president, national president, Pakuno ke samani, taksaranici, unidilanici, Garo cimaya bilko, pas karena manahap. Wah cuma sekitar cuma, wah ramako besok yang dari cuma deh, Garo cuma ya bilko pas karena manahap. 우리 답사관이지, 우리 아치가 답사관이지, 안정리 아치가 속이 득 배우나, 다도 제가 양양 아로리 튀고, 제가 다 오망망, 파스카에 나오지만 와, 양, 안정랑 답사관이 아르 부시와 아르 양 오해 소니, 안정랑 강만차, 아치안이 아르 답사관이
from this district council in the special session, the EC and the House, in fact, today has passed a historic resolution, or rather an amendment to the rules, where it is made mandatory for any candidate who's contesting to have a SC certificate. This is truly a very historic moment and a very important decision. As we know that the district councils have already traditionally been meant for the tribals of the region, and hence it is important that the conditions that have been introduced now in the Garo District Council should be brought in. And this was something that was a very long pending demand of the people, but for the past 74 years none of the governments or district councils were able to do this. But I'm happy to see that today we have come to this very historic decision, and I'm sure that all our friends, non-tribal friends who are there, will understand that this council is something that is always meant for the tribals of the different parts of the region of the Northeast, and hence I'm sure that there will be cooperation from all angles, and we will all work together in peace and harmony to ensure we take Garo Hills and the entire state and the region. Thank you.